When was the last time you moved and knew exactly where everything was before, during, and after the move? With the Ultimate Color Moving System, this will be the most organized move you have ever had. The Ultimate Color Moving System was developed by a certified professional organizer. That's me. My name is Amy Payne, and I own a professional organizing service. We have used this system with our clients. I personally have used this system to move, and it's awesome. You're going to love it. No need for duct tape. No more writing on the contents on the box. No need to print your own worksheets. Everything you need to have an organized, color-coded move is included with this system. So what exactly is included with the Ultimate Color Moving System? You get 12 different colors, one per room for households of all sizes. This helps you streamline packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking. Most homes have at least 5 rooms in common: the kitchen, the living room, master bedroom, second bedroom, and the garage. Not only do we have 12 different colors, we have box labels that come with it, up to 30 boxes per room. Inventory sheets for each box so that you can write a little bit about what's inside each box. We have signs that you put on the wall, so as the movers are carrying things in, they can see exactly which room the boxes go into based on the color of the label on the box. Additionally, we have floor plans, worksheets where you can work through your budget, contacts for the move, and keep every aspect of your move organized. The best part of the Ultimate Color Moving System is our guide booklet. It gives you instructions for how to use the Ultimate Color Moving System, best practices for your moving or relocation project, learn how to declutter your house to sell it, how to pack in an organized manner, how to use the inventory sheets, the best way to label boxes, how to manage the movers, and how to unpack efficiently. The Ultimate Color Moving System includes tools, worksheets, and resources that even the most experienced mover will find useful. The Ultimate Color Moving System helps you not only pack in an organized fashion, but also communicate with the rest of your moving crew so that you all know what's happening. It simplifies your moves and makes all communication easier.